This is ALCATEL 1T10 Smart, and today I would like to show how you can clear app cache and data on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then find and enter the Apps and Notifications category. Onwards, you gotta open the list of all installed applications. So let's wait a bit until it will load itself. So see all apps. Then find whatever app you would like to clear the data for. Open its app info page. From here, go for the storage and cache. And at the storage section, you can either exclusively clear cache only, like that. Probably Google Calendar is not the best example. So let's try cleaning the Drive app data. Or you can just actually clear all storage in general by going for the clear storage option, including cache as well. All user data, all cache that this app has, and so on. It might take a while for it to properly remove everything and then recalculate or recompute the size of all the data this particular application has. But within, I don't know, a few dozen seconds, this process will be definitely finished. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.